unfix Xbox app crashing. So to fix the Xbox app crashing, what you can do is force close the app. Simply tap on this tab at the bottom left to open your app switcher, then swipe up from your recent apps menu to shut down the Xbox app completely. Or you can just turn your phone off and then back on to clear temporary system glitches. Now if you are on Android device, what you have to do is go to settings, then scroll down, find apps, then scroll down all the way down to bottom and then tap Xbox. Then go to storage and then tap clear cache at the bottom right. Now the next what you can do is reinstall the app. Go to the existing Xbox app in your device, then tap and hold on it, then select uninstall from the pop-up menu, then tap OK to confirm it. Once you do that, go to your Google Play Store, find the Xbox app and then re-download it from there. Also make sure that you are not using a custom display DPI as it is unsupported and can trigger crashes. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.